Hey, it's Ivan D here with another video. Like, subscribe, cool. Alright, so now this is about how to change a battery from a laptop. If your laptop, if you plug it in and then as soon as you unplug it, it dies, that means the battery needs to be replaced, okay? So this is how you're gonna do it. Now, I have a toolkit here, okay? And in this toolkit, I've seen people use guitar picks, as long as that you have. I have this here. I don't know what it's used for, but there's like measurements on it. So you just take like the thinnest one, really, that there is. It's probably this one. All right. Then now you have the back of the laptop. You got screws here. You take the screws out. I used this, my toolkit. It's the star one. I don't know if you can, if it focuses or not. So you're gonna just kind of like press down in the crack. Then you can go around. Right, if I'd used the right one, it would probably work. Right, so yeah, you just, okay, so something is thin. As long as it's really thin, the thinnest that you can find, then you're gonna go around. Just gonna unclip like that. And go on the other side. It goes fairly easily. Just kind of, you kind of just pry it a little bit like that. Then as it gets looser, it kind of starts to pop off. And there you have it. It's that easy. So now inside the laptop here, this is the battery here, okay? Now you get the minus and the plus there. All right, and then there's the serial number. If you want to order another one, there's a model number. That this is an Zeus here, and then the model number is right there, and it says model, and then you just go on like an Amazon, then you type in that number. This particular one is B31N912, and that's the model number, so that you know how to do it. And then there are, I've already actually taken these off, but there's some screws that you take off up here, and those screws are, I think they're the same. Yeah, they're the same as the one. So you're gonna take the star. You're still gonna take the star-shaped one. Then you're just gonna take them out and unscrew them. Then the battery's gonna come out like that. Right. Then you're gonna take a flathead here. Right. This is what the flathead's for. The flathead is to pry out. This here. You kind of go like that on, like that on each side. You just kind of gently, very gently pry it, and voila. Now you have taken the battery out. So once you put the battery back in, you just put it at the same spot. Now as you can see, there's two holes there, one hole there, two holes here, one hole there, so that you know where to, you kind of know how to put it back, right? Which is, right, it was on that side here, the connectors were here, so yeah. Or was it like that? Oh, anyways, you seen how it was taken off, and you just paid more attention than I did how it's off. Anyways, then you just put the new battery back, and you plug that in. And that's how you change a battery. Alright, so I got the battery from the Amazon today, and with the battery, it came with this nifty little toolkit thing. Alright, so now we're gonna change the battery. Okay, so this is the old one, as the Azeus thing, and this is the new battery here. This one doesn't have the Azeus logo on it, and the serial number is a little different too. When I ordered it online, I typed in the serial number of it, or the model number, and the model number is different for some reason. So hopefully it still works. The Azeus one is B3-1N1912, and this one is C3-1N1912. So alright, so the last numbers are the same. So C31, yeah, it's okay. It's the same number. It's just the Azeus one is a B in front, and this one's a C in front. All right, so okay, so this one was from the other battery. All right, so let's see if we can figure out how to. This should just pop in there like that. And push in like that. Alright, so it goes in like that. Then you take this here. Then you just put that back on and you press it down. So it clips on these little clamps here. And then, so we'll see. We'll just put the screws back in, and then we'll plug it in, and we'll see if it works. Yes, and these tools that came with the battery, these two tools here, they're actually magnetized. You can see well, it's just not focusing, but which is really good for it to, you just take that, then it you're able to put it on, to put it in there a lot easier to screw that in. All right, and there you go. Why do I still have some screws left over? No, it should still work. Yes, it's there, so all right. And that's how easily it is to change your laptop battery. So there you go. So it comes charged right out of the box. You don't have to charge it, but I'm not sure what the battery life is. But anyways, that's how you change a battery. And now the serial number from the battery wasn't the exact same as the one that was in it, but it still works. I suppose that might be an older battery, and newer batteries that might change serial number. It might be well like a right. Well, the battery that came with it was an Azeus battery, but this one didn't say Azeus on it. So, but you still put in the serial number and it pops in on Amazon. So hopefully that this video was helpful and created value. So consider subscribing. It's Ivan D. Till the next one. See you later.